Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is E10 of E10's Canvas, and today we're going to be making a hand sanitizer. My ingredients are quite simple. I'm going to be using surgical spirit and aloe vera. As you can see, I'm going to use a very simple aloe vera that's also mixed with glycerine. It's perfumed, it's pure, so it's actually 100% pure. So glycerine is just so that your hands don't get dry. Also that same effect with aloe vera. This is actually very cheap. I bought it for 100 shillings. And then I'm going to be using surgical spirit. I learned today that it's also called rubbing alcohol. Also very pure. We are encouraged to use 99% alcohol. This is my measuring cup. This is the container where I'll put it, and this is where I'll do all the mixing and with the spoon. So let's get straight into it. I'm just going to pour my contents into a measuring cup. That is 1 cup, which is about 250 milliliters of surgical spirit or rubbing alcohol if you prefer. I'll pour it into my container right here, and then I will follow it up with my aloe vera and glycerine mixture. It's green in color, so I'm expecting my sanitizer to be green. I'm a girl, I like colors. So this is 100 milliliters worth of aloe vera and glycerine mixture. So I'm just gonna put it all of it inside, and then I'm gonna stir it to make sure all the ingredients are completely mixed properly. Then I'm going to put it in my small bottle, just getting all the contents out and making sure nothing is going to waste, especially with the economy that we're currently going through. You don't want to waste anything. Just stir it again to make sure that all the ingredients are completely mixed. If there are any leftovers, like here, I just put whatever it is that was left. Then now I am going to put it into my small containers. These containers are easily available from the supermarkets, or you can just reuse the ones that you have from other oils, other than going into buying others and spending too much. We don't want to spend too much money now. Make sure you shake it together so that it's proper. Now I'm going to apply it. I will tell you how it feels. It's quite runny, which is okay. It has that spirit cold feeling. Because of the glycerine, it's a bit sticky, but I just like it. As you can see, it's moisturizing my hands very well, and there are no dry patches. I've made sure all the angles are captured. And that's my homemade hand sanitizer. Very cheap and very affordable. Thank you for watching, and come back for more DIY videos.